All right, we're live. We're live. We're live. Let me at the Discord. Let me do everything. Let me get everything set up for everybody else. Today is a little bit different. We're doing night. If for some reason you're watching the beginning of the stream, we are going to be doing nights on Saturdays because I want to have some night streams for other people that can't join on the regular in the mornings for me. That's pretty much it. Let me at people. We live for night. Oh, I accidentally watched my stream on Discord. Never mind. Oops. Alright, so where was I at before? I think I played with the map a little bit because I was getting bored. Mario, please get off my desk, bro. Alright, so we're good there. The building feels a little clinky. It's like centered on this part, so I mean, I'll probably make this side the entrance so that way it looks fine. It's a little jake, but it's okay. So yeah, this will probably be the front because I do want to line it with the bottom. Oh, it's not even lined up with the bottom left. That's weird. Yeah, I'll fix that at some point. Yeah, that's weird. I thought I had that fixed. Oh well. Alright, so the play yards should work though. So if we go in here and interact, the animal goes to a random position inside of the play yard. Alright, alright. Look at that. Perfect. And then that's pretty much it for that. That's all that really matters. The next step is going to be... I forgot. Let me check out the... I keep everything in a list on the streams stuff now. Where am I at? To work on. Okay, so the first thing I was gonna do was a play yard, play fetch, ways to play animal. What's up, Asanagi? How you been? Yo, Syntax, we're going crazy. And I haven't watched in a while. But look. Okay, so we have the animal that we can capture. I'm vibing. Today's been pretty good actually. I played some games today and just chilled. It's been a good day. But we've got the world animal captured. Got that in there. Alright. Gracias. Wait, hold on one second. Okay.
Eso para cargar. Lo quiero guardar aquí, pero es rosado.
I know. I'll keep it in my car, but then I'll take it out.
Esa es la que tú me ayudaste.
Yeah, I remember.
¿Te va a servir?
Yeah, of course.
Okay. Yo quiero esa misma.
Gracias.
Te la regalo para que empieces su trabajo.
Gracias. Alright. We're back. Okay, so last time I was doing stuff, I made the map a little bit because I mostly got bored. But I'll show you in a second. So the first thing is that I have the held animal. So it starts off not being in the player's inventory kind of thing. So it starts off in just the world animals. This is my temporary tool, just grab it. So it's got in here now. And then anything in there will be able to interact with certain things. So we have the kennel, which you can't see inside of, but you can interact with it. You got the bathing table, and then you have the play yard. So all interactable, I'll move the dog to the thing, and whenever you walk into them, they enable interaction, whatever. I gotta disable interaction, because I don't really do that, but it's okay. So yeah, for the play yard, it puts it in a random position in here. Well, okay, so I walked to the kennel first, so it's whatever. But you can see it goes into the kennel. It's just in there. That's pretty much it. It does it for the bathing table. It goes into the center, and then over here, it goes to a random position inside of it. Just because it's going to have to do that anyways, so it's just going to do that. And then for the map, I tried laying out roads and stuff like that, which I think came out pretty okay. But I didn't do any crossroads yet, because I got kind of lazy. And then these are building placeholders for now, but I do know how I kind of want it mapped out for the starting area. I also have general ideas of how I want the Tycoons to be placed. So every brown spot is a placeholder for a Tycoon. We could just move it over, it'll spawn a new one. But the only problem is that there's multiple like cameras and stuff like that. So like this one took priority over the other one. So I don't that's stuff to figure out later. We'll do that one day. But yeah, basically, you can place, do whatever you want in this area. It's pretty sick. I like it. Okay, that's it. There's this like terrain area that I just didn't bother dealing with, so I just have it down here now. But my thought process for the map, by the way, is that I have one in kind of each corner, and then one in the side here. The one in the top corner up here will be towards the center of the city area. So even though it's, well, here, let me explain this. So each road this way is going to be to a new district. It's like out here. The only one that would be out of place would be a spot up here, which would kind of be in the city heart. So the reason this one will be a nice one because you have like the basic city, and so if you get this one first on the early game, it's actually gonna be better for you because you're gonna have a bunch of city animals that you can grab really close to you. That's the thought process behind that. It's a good starter area, but later in the game, you might want to join another server and go on one of these sides or something, because then you have a reason to explore and go at different paths and whatever. So that's the reasoning behind that. And so I want to make this area dense, and this area will be a little like whatever. And then we'll have different like out paths going somewhere else. Maybe I go to connect to a different server or something, or maybe I just add different areas, which I'll probably just do that one because that one makes more sense. But that's like the idea behind the map. And I also stole this blocky feeling from Retail Tycoon 2, but it's not like they don't own it. To be fair, I just kind of like saw it. I was like, that's a good idea. So I'll go with that. So I went with this. And yeah, that's basically it. In terms of the building stuff, I have to add a little bit. I have to add walls and make stuff look clean, because it's not really clean yet. But other than that, it's not bad. What I have to do now is I can work on playing in the play yard and have ways of animals to play with them. The other things I need to add a food bowl to the kennel, add a training room. I'll probably make that like a certain room placement instead of like an actual like individualized stuff. Or maybe not, I don't have to. I'll figure it out. So we'll do that, and then I'm gonna have to learn some terrain generation, which I did a little bit, but I didn't like it for the base city, so I'm gonna do that for the next areas I go to, like a desert or something, I don't know yet. Not exactly sure yet, but we'll figure it out. I want to categorize the shop, but there's still not too much in the shop. Over here, there's like 5 things, so categories don't really matter. And then animal accessories is definitely a later thing. Okay. Oh, you know what? I think it's all getting teleported to that one because that one's the primary one for some reason. That's weird. Okay. We're gonna work on adding multiplayer later. This is a temporary thing. So step 1 is working on the player, maybe? I don't know, there's so much stuff to do, and it's like when I want to focus on something, I can't really tell what to work on yet. Oh, you know what? I need to work on animals. So animals need... Let me make sure audio is fine. Yeah, it's good. So the animals need base stats attached to them. And I could do that a couple different ways. The easiest way would probably deal with the attributes down here, which I think I was already working on. If I go to world dog... Yeah, it's already got it here, so I think I'm gonna do that. Seems like a good idea. So I got affection, cleanliness, hostility, hunger, moving, location. Location's gonna be specific things, like if they're in the city, desert, whatever, but it's gonna be a number. And then it's also gonna be dependent on if they're inside of a like a play yard or kennel or something, so that'll change too. Obedience, player holding, and size. So what I want to work on for the play yard will probably be affection. You've never used attributes, really? It's cool to see. They're chill. From what I learned, they're pretty easy. So it's not too bad. Hey, you. How you been, you? Honestly, I don't know who's going to join from, like, the normal people, because it's late for some people. Okay, so we're going to work on the affection. I already got that, technically. So, play yard. Let's do this. Also, I have some background noise, so I'm sorry. I can't really control it, unfortunately. That's the only problem with night streams. You need to live stream a little bit early. Okay, so we're gonna deal with. So there's gonna be two different things. I need to separate it. I'll draw it out for myself, just so that I can remember, kind of. So we've got the module will be purple since it's already purple. Let's fill it in. So the module script right here is gonna control the animal. This will be the individual shop components. And what am I doing? Animal, whatever. This will be controlling the individual stuff. So there'll be shop stuff. And then I need to run this module stuff from the server side. So that way it updates on every player. And I already have the list of all the animals in the world folder. So the animals are in here, they go through, and then they will loop through inside of the server. And the server will check the location of the animals. And then depending on the location, it'll do a separate function. And the functions will be determined by the shop stuff. So that's when we call the module. What's up, Megazar? It's morning for you? Oh, perfect. Well, good morning. It's 9:30 p.m. right now. I went 12 hours difference. Even doing client and server stuff? Yes. Yeah, I started slightly moving into it because I realized how simple it actually was, to be honest. I don't know why I was so scared of it. But yeah, so this shouldn't be too hard, realistically. I gotta transfer all of my client stuff to server stuff at some point, but I'm kind of like lazy. So we'll figure that one out. I think. Did I close Roblox? No. I think the terrain is getting placed by server. Yeah, it is. So server's placing it, which is nice. So yeah, I realized that it's not that hard. I just was scared of it for some reason. But yeah, okay. So we've got the list of animals, so we got to check it every couple seconds to see what position they are, which will be done in the server. So the order of operations is 1, server. 2, add a loop to check where the animals are. And then the third part will be running these scripts from the modules. So 3 will be module. And then that's just kind of not bad. It should be pretty easy then. So I have server script service. This is initialize server. I guess I should just have a local function server loop. And then we can have different tick rates. So it'll be kind of like a Minecraft-esque based. So local 1 second. So 1 second is equal to 0. We'll have actually wait, we could just do multiple. So 3 seconds. And then 5 seconds. Right? Yeah, that should be fine. Can we do 0 for that? Oh, maybe? That works. Okay. The server loop. It's also morning for you too? Dude, that's perfect. I think Haru should also be able to join. I don't know if Haru's gonna join though. We'll see if they're up. Because I think it's like a 10, maybe 11 for them. I also don't know if they... I don't know. Doesn't really matter. Okay, so... server loop. We're going to do while task.wait. We're going to wait 1 second. And then we could do... 1 second plus equals 1. 3 seconds plus equals 1. And then 5 seconds plus equals 1. And then we could do if 1 second is equal to 1, which it should. Well, I guess this would just be if true at this point. This will be every second. We don't need this one. If 3 seconds is equal to 3, and then we could have a 5 second. If 5 seconds is equal to 5. And then we could do this for really any interval. So that way if I, like, let's say it takes a minute to clean an animal, I can have this as 1 minute. But also, in the future, like, let's say bathing tables are going to take a minute to clean. But then also training rooms are going to take 1 minute to train 1 point of obedience in an animal. We could just put them both in the 1 minute time slot. So that way it just does it in the same second. Same thing. But that'll be a future case. We'll do that for now. For animals. Alright, so now we also have to loop through each animal. How are we gonna do this then? So I'm gonna have to loop through each animal, which is in animal info Tycoplots. This will be local world animals. Alright, I guess all animals. Equal to this. Or it's actually workspace wait for child. World. Oh. World animals. Okay. So get the folder. And then we'll wait a couple seconds, and then we'll check for the animals' locations. Oh, actually, we could separate them. So, I guess there's gonna be different ways of doing it. So technically, I could do, instead of all animals, I could do an animal per location also. After infinite while loop, the code below won't run. Yeah, I know. I'm gonna make sure I don't do anything else below here. This will be the bottom. Oh wait, no, that should be fine. Oh wait. Oh, that's what you meant right here. That's true. This is just gonna do that then. That's our wait, and then we'll do. That's what you meant. All true. Do everything. Then we copy paste this. Dude, my cat, bro. Leave me alone, bro. Leave me alone. Hey, we're gonna do that. Now it looks clean. Nice. Thank you. Okay, so I think what I could do, I'm gonna have to move the scripts out of here though, I think. But temporarily while it's in here. Shop item script. Kennel module. I guess it doesn't really matter. Local play yard animals. I guess not local, just do this and then name play yard animals. Equal to empty array. And then we'll add, I think we could do that per one. Because then the server will just loop through these instead. So that means we can have another function. Oh my gosh. So we could have another function in here for passive. So function name dot active. I guess that would be weird because then we're. Well, I guess passive would be more of a. Although it'd be weird because all the animals would play at the exact same time if they're kennels next to each other. That would be weird. That would be weird. I'm gonna have to think about this a different way then. Yeah, I'm gonna have to think about this slightly differently. So the problem right now is that when I call server and function, it's doing all the animals at the same time. So then these are, I don't know how to draw exact same time, but so at 3 o'clock, all of the animals are gonna move down at the exact same time, basically. It's like what I'm saying. So I'd rather not make them move down. I'd rather have them depending as to when they joined inside of it. Which there's definitely ways of doing it. And that would be attaching either a number to them. I guess that wouldn't be too bad. I add an attribute for number. We can add a duration. And I guess I'll do the function here. Instead of playyard, we'll do function name dot active. Activate. That's not really a good name, but we'll take it for now. And it's gonna pass. It'll loop. For underscore animals in name dot player animals. So for each animal in here, we're gonna do the active, which is gonna be interesting to do. So we're gonna have to do place animal. I should have a move to spot, right? Held animal controller, place animal, swap, get held. Has grab. Oh, this is the held animal controller, right. Okay. So that's a little different. There's the animal movements one. That maybe held animal takes from? No. Okay, anyways. So animal movement is going to have move 2, which we'll take inside of the play yard. Local animal movement controller equal to require game blah 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 blah. I wish I could just copy paste something and then just say blah 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 and it worked, but it doesn't work. Animal movement. So in here, we're gonna do animal movement controller dot move 2. This will be the animal. And then the second one will be the position. So shop info dot get position on square. The model will be crap. Oh, actually, no. Animal dot parent dot parent. Because each animal, whenever they're inside of a thingy in the play yard, they're inside animal container, so the parent is animal container, and then the parent of that is play yard. So we get the model from that, and then that should be good. So now they'll move to a random position inside of there. Okay. Name, I'll call this... This needs to be like a general name so that way all of them can have it, even if they don't use it. So name.activate. Name dot... Is this server client-side scripting? I'm assuming it's client. So this is the server... This is the module here. So in the thing, this is technically neither right now. So this is not client... Hold on. It's not client or server. This is actually a neither case right now. So the only this is going to be called from the server, but because it's just a module, it doesn't really determine which one it is. So technically neither right now, but it's going to be from the server side, so it's going to be on a server. But for a module, I don't know if you know, but just in case, it just depends on who's calling it. So because the server's calling it, it's going to be a server side. That's the best way I could kind of draw it. It's got no innate behavior for server or client. It also depends as to where you place it in here, because I don't know if server storage, if the players have access to server storage. Get out. Get out. Get out of there. Alright. So yeah, it's got no exact definition, but it still be server side when I run it. And I'm programming it for server side because it's having a list of all the animals, of playered animals in there. And yeah, I'll have to figure something out with this too. Yeah, I'll figure this out later. That's fine. So activate, I'll just name it activate for now. I'll change it later in the future, whatever. So function activate will be part of all of the items, but not used in every item. Which is down here somewhere. I gotta move these scripts out of here at some point. Kennel, do this here. Activate will be empty. Kennel module script. So yeah, that'd be good there. And then same thing in here. Name that activate, and then bathing table. Bathing table is a little complicated. Bathing table module. This will have an activate. I just don't have it in there yet. Layered module script. Bro, you just wake up? What is this? Yeah, I just woke up. I have to admit it. This is bad. My sleep schedule is on a decline right now. But yeah, so we have to activate in here, and now inside of the server script somewhere over here, I'm gonna move it. Inside of server script, when we get rid of that. Oh wait, no, that was for the animals, wasn't it? Okay, so if all of the animals, well, I still need this here. All animals is equal to game or workspace. Wait for child. All animals. Hello. Game, please. World animals. World animals. That's why. Everyone leave a like. I don't know what it does for lives, but I like the live. I don't think it matters. You can leave it or not. I don't really care. Okay, so all animals is there, and then if true, then end. Well, I guess this is kind of backwards now. We'll add this in the future, maybe. Yeah, we'll add that in the future, maybe. I don't really know. We'll think about it. We'll think about it. I'm just undoing everything I've done. Ugh. Whatever. Okay, all animals for animals in animal in all animals that get children. So animal get attribute of location. This will be local location is equal to animal get attribute location. Now I'm gonna have to just do a bunch of ifs here because I don't think there's any things called switch state cases. So if location is equal to, I don't remember actually. Animal base info? Yeah, right here. Okay. So we'll figure this out later. We'll have to keep track of this somewhere at some point. The server and info. So Ant 3 is play yard for some reason. I'll have to group these up one day. So if location is equal to 3, then oh, this is gonna be weird. What am I doing? Why am I doing it like this? So I guess they don't need all in activate in there. I'm like programming it 2 different ways at the exact same time, and I'm not keeping track of what's going on. So we're not gonna do what I was just thinking about. So we're gonna just keep it simple like this. If location is equal to 3, then we'll just do activate that, but we need a reference to it. Wait, don't I have a reference somewhere? So shop items module, right? Somewhere. There's somewhere in here. There's a script with all of the references. Shop items module. No, not here. Items manager? Items manager. The interacting script, but it also has everything else. So this will be convenient. So I guess we'll get a reference to that. Local items manager is equal to require game dot starter player dot player scripts dot shop items items manager. Okay, get items manager, and then I'm gonna close a couple of these out and then open them later. So items manager, player script. It's a local. I guess I'll do the function in here. So this will just be items manager dot use. We'll throw in the location number, and then we'll pass through the animal and the location. Right? And then, so this will use it if it can be used. Although, I still have like 2 different ways of like I want to program it in my head. I gotta get rid of one. I have to throw away one. It's not optional. It's not even close. So we're gonna throw out the organized way, and we're gonna throw in the easy way. So use will be use isn't gonna guarantee a use, or I guess I'll call it try use. And then at the end of the animals here, animal get attribute, not that one. Get attribute of duration. Top duration. Yeah, duration. Get attribute of duration. I guess I have to set it too. Hold on. So animal set attributes of duration. Then we're gonna do comma plus 1 plus animal get duration. So we're increasing the time it's been inside of wherever. Hey, what's up, Naif? How you doing? Alright, so we're gonna set the duration inside of here for an extra second. The reason you're here is because you're going to school in an hour. Oh, dang. Well, I'm sorry to hear that. I hope you enjoy school. So we're going to add a second to its duration that has been there. Try use is going to be in here, and we're going to do local function try use. Items manager dot try use. If yeah, I guess we'll just do that. Pass through an animal of part, and then we'll pass through location int number. You have a test today? Good luck, bro. Good luck. What's it about? Alright, so we're gonna throw out the other way I wanted to do this. We're gonna get rid of this. Math. That'd be fun. If location is equal to 3. I mean, I guess I could have a reference here, but at that point it's just too many references. Oh well. So location is equal to 3, then we're gonna do player script dot activate. Yes. For an animal. Function name dot activate. So that should work. Temporarily though. We're gonna just do a print because I don't feel like debugging a bunch of crap. Hi. So now, so from start to finish, when an animal goes into the play yard, they're going to interact with it here. So the animal's gonna get passed through here at some point. The model is going to be the animal. Okay. Since we have a reference of it here. Oh, you know what? No, wait. So I could do this. Actually, I can keep how I wanted it before, now that I think about it. Because we could do table dot insert player name dot player animals. And we'll pass through the model. And then for each animal and player animals, do this. If duration animal get attribute duration is equal to, let's say, 5 seconds. Then we could do this. But instead of doing this, we're just going to print. Print. Hi. Cool. Then, in server script, instead of separating things, and instead of having to call the items manager. Okay. No. Items manager will be fine. This is so this is so much going back and forth. So player script dot activate. That's fine. Bro, this song is fire, dude. I love this song so much. I don't know why I stopped listening to the Japanese playlist, honestly. Alright, so player to activate. We don't even need try use. Use equipment. Animal part. That's not a big deal. We'll use that. Server will still call that. We don't need all of this anymore. We'll just do this. Use equipment. What am I doing? Items manager dot use equipment. Cool. So every second it'll use the equipment, and items manager will local time passed. Tickle starts at 0, and then every time it goes here, time passed plus equals 1. If time passed is equal to 5. Then we can do the player script. So every 10 seconds? Every 10 seconds an animal will move inside of here. And then if... Oh, actually. If time passed is... No, we'll figure this out later. We're just gonna do this. We're just gonna do this. We're gonna do that later. That's too much to think about. That's too much to think about. Okay, so use equipment from the server. What's up, Jungling? I'm still streaming. I started 12 hours ago and we're going. We're gonna keep going. I'm just kidding. Saturdays are gonna be night streams, I think. Potentially. It seems pretty chill right now. I'm kind of enjoying it. And I'm like, I get the whole day to do stuff, and then at night it's like convenient for me, I guess, in a way. And then other people get to join too that don't get a chance to join. At like better times. Oh my gosh, it just dropped all of my cards. Okay, anyways. So activate there, initialize server, server loop does this. Player module if what is it? Name dot player animals hashtag is equal to 0 return. So if we don't have any animals in there, we're just gonna back out of it. Thank goodness I'm streaming at day. Exactly, Jungling. This is the point. So Saturdays, if I stream at night, it's gonna be daytime for you, and for other people also. So it'll be convenient. Convenient. So now server is gonna do this, which is gonna call this, which is gonna call this, which is then gonna check the animals in here, and then animal duration, set attribute duration, comma animal get attribute of duration. One plus. Okay. And then we're also gonna move this out of here because I don't really want this in here. We're just gonna print this, that way we know it's working. And then this goes down here. And then this does animal set attribute of duration to 0. Cool. That should be good. Now we should get to this after a couple seconds. After like 3 seconds, I think. Why am I not in the player mode? Well, the animal moved. The animal's actively moving. Okay, whatever. Oh yeah, it's not in the play yard. What am I doing? What am I doing? Play. Okay. Think. You got an iPad. You got your iPad virus. John going, how did you do that? How did you possibly do that? Why is my tool not working either, by the way? Okay. Tool. Why aren't you working, tool? You're working earlier. It was working earlier. Okay, whatever, I guess. The tool's broken. Oh, the animal. Let's do this, play yard. Wait, the server script's not running. Oh. That's why. So what's causing an issue? Requested module experience an error while loading. Items manager, blah, blah, blah. So we're getting a new instance of this. I don't really like that. I don't really like that. Yeah, it's items manager. Why? If I comment this out, comment that out, it should work. Yeah, so it goes there. If I just run that, it's gonna not work, which means something in items manager is broken. Require, just spelled correctly. Starter player, shop items manager. I need like a static instance of this. Whenever you turn the tablet on, it dies quickly. I don't know if that's a virus or if that's just like the tablet's broken. I don't really know. So this is already ran by something. Where does this get ran? Just downloading random stuff. Oh, Jungling. I don't know how you managed to do this. This is. I feel like this is like the third time something bad's happened to your tablet or a laptop or something. Is it one of these? Maybe. Module will experience error. Okay. Wait. Oh, no. Well, I mean, technically. 2 pieces on a tablet. Okay, well, it still didn't run. Yeah, I still have an error. I guess this is an error now, so. It's probably just a play yard. No, it's not. 2 viruses on your PC and 1 tablet. Bro, what are you downloading that's doing this? What the heck, bro? That's not normal. So the items manager gets called by... I think it's the local player, actually. Items manager, yeah. Free Robux, okay. I feel like after the first or second time you'd probably learn, but I guess not. A lot of spaghetti code, I think. Does this even get used at all? Like at all? It gets called. No, this is server script. What am I doing? Play manager. Object interactions. Right here. Object interact is primary. So this is like definitely all local scripting stuff. This is gonna have to get switched to server stuff. You know what? Whatever, dude. We're gonna do this into the local script, I guess. Why not? I already have it in here. Server loop, items manager, object to interact. Object interactions. No. Object interactions dot use equipment. Okay. I bet that just sneeze really bad. Okay, so we should have the animal there. Good. Good build. Cleared. Get the animal in here. Okay. Got an error, of course. Index, nil, parent. Oh. Let's get this back in. Whatever. Let's get this back in here. Place a kennel, play yard, whatever. That goes in there. So now we should see the high come up, right? Because it gets added to the list. Well, we should have seen it anyways, right? Oh, that's stupid. Server loop. Yep. Okay, that's why. Okay, do that. Get it in here. We get the highs anyways, but let's check, double check. Something to perform arithmetic add on number and table. Wait, get children. No. Get attribute. You're buying a new PC. It's $500 and it's Ryzen 5 3050, etc. Oh wow. Ryzen 5 RTX 3050. That's really good. You better not get like viruses on there, Django. Please. I'm begging you. Please, dude. Don't do it. I know it's tempting, but don't do it. Okay, let's check. We get the highs. Arithmetic on whatever garbage. Attribute duration. On number and nil. Huh? Okay, so well, the animal should have it on the client side, no? Because duration is 0 here. Set attribute duration 1 plus animal get attribute duration. Okay, so local side dog has duration. Alright. We do this. Still trying to add. Weird. Weird, but okay. There's no way of misspelling it, right? I mean, I know it happens a lot. But like, come on. Duration. 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 Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. So print animal.name. Let's try that. Player? Huh. We're passing through the play yard for some reason. Wait, no, the player's getting saved here. Name.interact model. Primary interact. What? I think I understand. So instead of playered animals, we're just gonna do active players. I think a tablet's done. I think a tablet's done with you, bro. I don't. Dunzo, dude. I'm sorry. That actually sucks. But you should probably learn your lesson at some point. That you shouldn't be downloading free Robux constantly. Okay, active players. Save that. Paste this here. Boom, boom. So for each playyard in active playyards, we do playyard.name, playyard, local animal is equal to playyard dot, I guess wait for child. This will be animal container, I think. I don't really remember. I like have a general idea usually. Yeah, animal container, and then animal set attribute, blah 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 blah. I guess I could also set the duration to like. No, this would be different because I could have multiple dogs in a player. That could be kind of cool. Kind of cool, I think. Potentially. We'll figure it out. Animal container. Dun, dun, dun. So animal set attribute. Dun, dun, dun. So this should work now. So we can also do print animal get attribute. Oh, not get children. Get attribute of duration. Let's try that. Boom, boom, boom. Boom. Still failed to do this. So player gets printed here. Alright. And then do get children, and then we do 0. Or 1, sorry. So get the first child. Bro, you can't turn your tablet on? I'm sorry. Bro, what happened, dude? Oh. You're trolling. Wait, someone took away their like. I saw that. The stream just went down a like. What the frick? Okay, so the player's going good. We got 3, 4, 5. Oh, it goes to 0. If you were to create a custom UI GUI on Roblox to match a certain theme, I'm assuming you would use software like Photoshop or similar feature, right? Yeah. I would probably use Photoshop or Krita. Krita's free. It's not Photoshop, but it's open source and free. Oh, I got the like back. Heck yeah, I gotta complain more often. But yeah, I use Curda for all my stuff. Specifically like thumbnail related stuff for YouTube. I'll show you it. It's pretty chill. If it opens, I guess. I don't know. Doesn't want to open right now, I guess. But yeah, so the animals, I mean, technically is in the square. Use photo P? What the heck is photo P? What are these off-brand? It's the Chinese version of Photoshop. It's crazy. There's a 7500 series in TM. Oh my gosh. Wait, this is actually gonna be crazy, jungling. Your build's about to be better than mine, I think. Okay, well, the animal's inside, right? That's fine. So now I know it works. This is getting activated. The duration's getting set. I guess set duration to -1. Duration should start at -1. Okay. Now, we also do this. So now, I'm thinking the player is actually gonna kind of work, to be honest. I'll do this. The animal will move inside. Oh, it's underneath. Oh, oh, big. Wait, he moved? He moved? He moved? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, he's doing it. He's doing it. Let's freaking go. Oh, dude, this is big. This is big. Look at that. Oh my gosh. That's kind of hype, no? So get position on square. How do I do it on the interact? Place animal on square model. Get position on square. Pass during a model. Oh, you know what? I think the height offset is different. Hold on. Yeah, what's up, not so tall Sam? Bro, I haven't seen you in forever. Then they could be streaming right now. I changed my stream schedule slightly for Saturdays so that way other people could join. Shop items module. Let's change the height for this to 0. That should help. You've been busy? You've been nice. Alright, cool. What have you been busy with? I've been recently trying to apply to jobs and stuff like that. I might have to change the script if it goes underneath again. No, it's good. Oh, kind of. But look at this, dude. It goes to random positions. Now the animals can actually like move around inside the play yard because like that's what they're supposed to be doing. I've gone so far. Thank you. I've worked a lot on this. You've had some interviews and stuff? Nice. I have an interview on Tuesday actually for web hosting stuff to get an issue fixed. I think it's gonna be like a contract work, but hopefully I get a decent amount of money from it. This is kind of clean though. Animals just move around. It doesn't seem to move around that often, which I'm kind of confused about. Supposed to move around more. But I mean, it works. It's not for Roblox. It's something on other. You were trying to complete commissions. Oh, okay. Oh, maybe you're talking about Not So Tall Sam. Not So Tall Sam does pixel art, by the way, guys. His pixel art looks really cool. I really like his pixel art. So I think he's talking about pixel art commissions. What's my CPU? Yeah, pixel art commissions. I have a 3700X. Isn't 5. It's not the best, but it's not the worst. It's okay. It's a good number. Here, Not So Tall Sam. Let me see if I can pull yours up. Instagram. You don't mind, right? I don't think you mind. I mean, your art's pretty crazy. You gonna make a site for your portfolio? Oh, okay. Oh, guys, don't look at that. I've been looking at my stats a little bit. I've been curious about my stats. Instagram. Can I pull up your Instagram, not so tall stand, to show them? Oh, that's not my. Hold on. My Instagram on my computer is logged into my like 12-year-old account. Oh no, we're good now. All right, we're good. Search. So tall Sam. All right, here's his art. His art's crazy. I love it. This one's cool. Good character. But yeah, I love this stuff. This stuff's crazy. Especially this top 3 stuff. Crazy. I love it. But yeah, that's his stuff. Also, yeah, jungling, my video is doing pretty well so far. I'm pretty happy with it. I'm really happy with it so far. I thought it was gonna do really bad, I'm not gonna lie. I thought I was gonna get like 100 to 200 views, maybe 400 at most, but like the fact that it got to 2K almost is crazy. So I'm really happy with that, with the outcome. And that's pretty much all. Okay, dude, this is so hype. I just want to look at this. This is so fun. I gotta figure out why it's not moving every time constantly, but other than that, it's pretty sick. I mean, gets to its position, it gets to a random position in there, and then does its little thing. Ooh. Also, you watched the last video, it did really good with the rest video, it was so good. Oh, thanks, dude, I appreciate it. Dude, I put so much time and effort into that. The problem with that not so tall Sam is that I thought that video was to do so bad because Rust is just such a hard community to get into, I feel like, but I guess not. I guess it's really not, I don't know. But yeah, I was really happy with it. Thank you though. You were there when you made the animal moving? Jungling, you've been here for like ever, dude. You've been here at every point. Like unironically. Alright, so that's still being weird. It's supposed to be adjusting depending on the primary part's position and size. Size +1. Gotta go take care, Kev. Bye, Zenigi. Have a good time. Have fun doing whatever you're doing. So the initial one, it goes up, but then on the second one, it goes down. But I feel like I don't change anything. Yeah, what's up, Mad Cat? Look, Mad Cat. I got the dog moving. He moves on his own now in the play yard. He does his own thing in here now. It's pretty sick, I'm not gonna lie. I didn't think it was gonna work that quick, but he doesn't move around too much. I gotta move him more often, but there's like some function that's like, there's some like variable that's not letting him. But yeah, he moves around, trust me. He's gonna move around in a second, watch. You're gonna miss it if you don't look at the screen. So keep staring. That's awesome. Thank you, thank you. He will stop at some point. Also, this build mode is actually disgustingly broken now. He will move at some point. Please move. It was for the demonstration. Move objects. This freaking dog, bro. This freaking dog does not want to move when I'm trying to demonstrate it to people. So lame. So lame. Yeah, let's get him in here again. Look at that, look, he just moved there. He was up here and now he's going this way. And he might go this way, hopefully. If he decides to. I don't know. Maybe. Oh, yeah, look, you missed it. You might have missed it, but he moved. He's down here now. It's hype. Yeah, he's there. I don't understand why he's going at different spots when the same model's getting passed through, though. It's literally the same model, which is confusing. Wait, maybe it's... no, it has to be. Great success. Thank you, thank you. I feel like this has been really nice to... Like, this is like the most visually pleasing one, to be honest. Let's do print Animal. Animal dot parent dot name. It should be the play yard. Wait, syntax, you've been behind a whole minute. I don't know. I think it happens sometimes. It happens to me when I watch it on the side also. It's really weird. That's fine. You're caught up now. Yeah, it goes down on the second one, even though it's the same model. Player walked in box. So your tablet's not turning on. I'm sorry, bro. I don't know what to do jungling. Okay, so we're gonna get player's getting printed right now, and then player gets printed here. So it's just a play yard. I'm not really sure. Yeah, I'm not really certain about this. Let's try printing the model name. Alright, let's do... well, I guess it's not gonna save. That's fine. We'll do this up here. We'll do print the model name. And then... player... player... yeah. Ah, weird. So they get position on square. Oh, it's place animal. It's probably doing something different. You could stop. No, please. Jungling, no. Okay, so the held animal controller is doing something different with it too. I forgot about that. Stop items. No, animal controller, hold animal controller. Place animal. Animal location. Animal location. Wait, that's weird. No, that's just weird. Because it does the exact same thing. Shop info to get position model. Shop info to get position on square. The model. And then it doesn't do anything different in here. Yeah, what's up, Sammy? What's going on? I got the player to slightly work. So the animal moves around in the play yard. I'll show you. It's pretty sick. I literally just got it done. I'm trying to figure out why it's going at different height intervals every once in a while, but that's okay. So yeah, see, he just moved this way. He's vibing. He's going around. He's going in the floor for some reason. We're gonna fix that eventually. He also doesn't always move for some reason. His Tycoon building top. No, not that one. Place object play yard. Animal container. Dog. His moving is false. Duration is going up there, but it's not activating. Oh, there we go. That time he moved. 3 a.m. right now. Ooh. Sam, no. What the frick? Why is it so late for you? Why are you up so late, actually? Floor dog, the rarest of dogs. True, dude. Dude, he's being weird. Like, because the duration goes to... once it goes to -1, he should move. But he's not moving. Goes to 5 to -1. Hold on. Maybe I know why. But probably not. Okay, so in here. Maybe set attribute isn't consistent. So you slept in early actually, and now you're awake trying to make a logo for a friend. Okay. I guess. Wait, you slept in early and now you're awake. Oh, I see what happened. Local duration. Bye, Syntax. Gotta go now, but good luck with the stream. It was fun to watch so early, but yeah. Thanks, Syntax, for being here. I'm glad I got to show you everything. Duration is equal to anal get attribute duration. Duration is equals 1. Okay, so animal duration plus equals 1. If duration is equal to 5, then do this. Then duration is equal to -1. And then at the end, we're going to do animal, set attribute, duration, comma, duration. So that cleans up the code a little bit and keeps everything in sync. And it might also fix the other issue of him not consistently moving around. Move there. Doesn't seem to have fixed it, but the code is cleaner, I guess. I mean, can't really complain about that. It fixed the height too, weirdly enough. Kind of. Not exactly. I mean, not really. But it works still. It's more consistent, maybe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, -1. So it goes. Yeah, it just didn't do anything. Weird. Okay. So move to. Manual controller. I guess I could just do place animal. But I'd rather not. I don't know. To me. Okay, so animal movement. The animal's position thingy and movement, the place to the move to. Tween 6 to tween 5. Well, actually, this I feel like it's a little outdated. I'm not gonna lie. Oh, the move to is related to pathing. Ooh, that makes a lot of sense. Place animal. I'm gonna actually just do a separate function in here that does move animal, not move to. It's just gonna be move animal. There's gonna be the exact same stuff. Just get rid of this. Could get rid of this. The goals should be fine. That should be fine. So we're gonna keep that. Which also means we can get rid of animal movement controller. Then get rid of this. We could do that. But we're gonna do move animal. Okay, now it's consistent. Or should be at least. Okay, the heights will definitely be consistent now. The animal moving around consistency is still gonna vary, I think. Yeah, it still hasn't moved in a bit. Weird, but okay. Okay, it's not moving at all. I mean, this kind of happens every once in a while, so I don't really know. But like, why? Like, why? So move animal. I don't think it's position on square that's causing the issue. Maybe? Maybe, but I don't think so. So move animal. Wait, oh, hey, hold on. So I lied. I think I know why it's happening now. Maybe. Set a play yard. If duration is equal 5, then move. Never mind. So for each play yard and active play yards, do this script. Print move animal. I mean, modern problems require modern solutions, I guess. Right? Let's figure this out. Move animal. Yeah, so I called the script, but it didn't do anything. So it's just something in move animal then. Call the animal controller, move animal. If not has animal. Oh, makes sense. Get rid of that. If is animating, return, goal, tween, go. Okay. That should be the only issue now. There we go. It's still a little inconsistent, is it? No. Moved animal. Okay. Pretty good. Pretty good. Yeah, it's every time now. Beautiful. Oh, that is satisfying. That is so satisfying. I don't like that it goes on the edges of the block, but we'll figure that out later. I'm gonna... Okay, so... Inside of items manager, shop items module. So in here, I'd have to add a margin of movement, but I'm not going to do that. Okay, so play yard. What do we need? So we'll keep it local script because everything's local script. That doesn't even matter at this point. Everything sucks anyways. Ways to play with the animal. Despacito. Nice. Okay. Okay, so the play yard is kind of I kind of like where it's at. And I'm too lazy to work on playing with an animal right now. So maybe we move on. Maybe. Food bowl in the kennel. That should be really easy. So inside of the kennel script. Yeah, get rid of everything, honestly. So inside of the kennel script, the interact secondary will be fill food bowl. So we're gonna fill the food bowl, and then we're also gonna check out if the player has food, but for now it's just gonna be temporary or whatever. Kennel also. I guess we'll just do local active kennels. It's equal to update rate, interact. So kennel model table dot insert kennel module. No. Active kennels, comma kennel model. And then what's up, you? Again. Oh. So indie kennels. the way this is gonna work is that filling their food bowl will be a attribute, maybe. I feel like the attributes are just so easy to work with. I'll just stick to it, I guess. Kennel, just give you an attribute. Has food. Boolean. Has food, can start as true. Fill food bowl. I don't know. Kennel model set attribute. Oh, actually, just do this. Set attribute of has food, comma true. Simple enough. Okay. So we set the attribute to food equals true and that's pretty much it for food bowls. I mean, not really, but like kind of. Like kind of. Kind of. So it has true. I can't think of how to do it right now. So we have an attribute on there. We'll set it to true whenever it has food. If we interact with secondary, the secondary interact. I forgot what the button was, but we'll figure that out later. That will fill up the food. And would probably hold on. I mean, it doesn't really have to do too much. It just fills up the food bowl. What's up, Jong? Did it turn on? Did your tablet turn on? Did it do it? Did it do the thing? It finally turns on. Let's go, bro. I have no idea how stressed out you were. You deleted the downloads? Good. Please. And thank you. Okay, my cat's stretching all over my keyboard. I appreciate it. You look really cute, but like I can't take this right now. You'll take the rest. It'll take a... I'll take it... You'll give it a rest. So Kennel has food. Okay. And then... Why am I so stuck on this for some reason? That's pretty much it. Literally. That's literally it. We'll leave it there, I guess, for now. Has a food bowl, sure. Training room. We could work on that. We could work on that. It'll be temporary. So let's get a model training room. Name should be in here somewhere. Data training room. So this will just be a room where there's like an AI in there and it trains it on its own and we don't have to do anything with it because I'm too lazy to do that. That'd be a lot of work. And I'm not that guy. The training room would have a couple walls. Oh. The walls go into training room. Okay, so we do this. Just select. Why is this? Oh, move. Right. You know, I really like working with models. They're kind of annoying. So what I could do is make it up to here and there, and then change the scale. No. How do I just do one side? Just toggle snapping, scale around pivot, control? No. Alt? No. Okay, whatever. The wall part? X8. 16? That works. Position. Uh, 554. 551. 550. Nope. Oreo, please, you're killing me. 552. There. Let's grab one of these walls. We're gonna actually just delete these. I don't even care, dude. Put this in a workspace. I'm not doing this. Okay. This one, copy it, rotate it this way. No. Copy it, rotate it this way. And then we can add a doorway. Scale. No. Why does it do that? I don't like that it does it on the pivot. It's kind of annoying. It didn't used to work like that. Why is it scaling uniformly? I don't like that. I really don't like that. Why? Stop. Please stop. Please stop. Dude, please stop. It's so bad. Is it because it's the model? It's the model, that's why. Okay. We got the actual part now. We'll add a door on the left side, which will be a single. Could be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It'll be 6. Okay, and then one part. No, one part. That's a great room, if I do say so myself. Yo, what's up, Defective? How you doing? You have a good time? You had a good time when not on streams, I guess? I don't know. This is a great room, and I love it, and I love everything that it's trying to be. It's trying really hard, you know? It's probably the best room I've ever worked on. Cool. I mean, it works. I mean, I'm not gonna complain, really. I should probably add a door at some point. The stupid ceiling. Doesn't fit. Fit. Let's rename this to ceiling. Okay. Training room. Pick that up. Go up here. You're doing good? That's good to hear. I'm glad. One of us is doing good. temporarily. I'm not doing good right now. This is annoying for some reason. Okay, this is a perfect training room. Let's see if it fits for the player sizings. Looks great. Okay, so the animal literally will just walk in here, face this way, and do absolutely nothing. That's it. Or maybe he'll do some animations every once in a while, and you'll see some animations. But that's like literally it. There's nothing else going on in there. So that's the training room. That's beautiful. It works great. It looks good. It does its job. I probably shouldn't be able to jump up top of a wall, but we'll fix that later, I guess, when we actually model the building, maybe? Yeah, we'll do that when we model the building. It's not a big deal. Okay. Okay. Anyways, good luck. Oh, you're gonna revamp your flashlight and revamp the monsters. Okay, sounds good. Sounds good. Oh, wait. Defective. Before you leave. Don't leave yet. Tell me you're still here. I gotta show you something. Defective, look. Tell me you haven't left yet. I did something cool with the animal. He's having fun inside of the play yard. Tell me you haven't left yet, right? Please. Please. No, the view count went down by 1. Defective. No. Yeah. Gosh, dang it. Defective. You weren't supposed to leave yet. Okay, whatever. Yo, Scap. Am I dreaming? You're streaming in the morning for the first time? Scap, you're not dreaming. Oh, what's up, Sam? I didn't know if you... Yeah, I honestly didn't know if you left. I was just kind of hoping people were still here. Obviously, you don't have to chat. It's not like... It's not a requirement, so it's okay. We're vibing. Yeah, Scap. So Saturdays, my Saturdays, maybe Sunday for you. Sounds like it might be Sunday for you. It's going to be my nights, your mornings, I guess. So that's the new schedule. That's my new schedule. Just that way people have different times and stuff like that. So it'll be convenient for some people. Inconvenient for others, but also there's like 4 days of like, you know, morning streams / night streams for you. What animals am I gonna add? My girlfriend's supposed to handle all of that, right? Like, she's supposed to handle all of the creative sides of stuff. I'm just supposed to handle all the like functionalities of everything. Although I'm gonna do probably the world building and stuff like that, but it's not a big deal. So that's part of functionality, I guess. Anyways, how old am I? I'm 22. I updated into something. I won't say. Promise it ain't the maid suit. Oh no. A capybara would be really cool. I'm gonna make a list. Guys, let's do this. Your Roblox avatar? Oh. Oh, maybe I don't want to see it then. I don't know. Let's do this. What animals should we add, guys? Yo, streamer does it. Perfect timing. Animals to add. All right, guys. Put your requests below. We have capybara. Personally, I want to see a baby dragon. That's a meat thing. I want to add. What else? I mean, cats are obvious, yeah. Cat. We're definitely gonna have dogs. That's another obvious one. We're gonna need there's gonna be different types of dogs and cats, by the way. It's not just gonna be one type. So there's cat, dog, dragon. One of them stands out a little bit too much. We could do unicorn. We could have regular horses. Dinosaur sounds good. Cows? We could do cows. I don't see why not. Definitely dinosaurs. Deons? No. Dinos. Dinos would be sick. What do you think? Oh, dude, we could do hamsters, little hamsters. We have little hamster cages. Oh, that'd be so cute. That would be so cute. Oh my gosh, dude, that's gonna be great. Okay, hamster. We could do little rats also. Why not? What else? What else? What else? What else? Nixel 7 YouTube alt clicking the like button on stream to be 12 likes. Guys, I don't have alts, dude. Everyone, Scap, you missed Syntax join earlier. He's the guy that initially joined the streams a long time ago and has been helping me a lot. Flappa? What's a flappa? Flappa. Specifically this guy? It's like a big cat. Flappa? Okay. We'll do Flappa. Microphysialiasaurus. You want a Microraptor? Oh, dude, Microraptor. Microraptor. This could be a over here. We'll add Microraptors, most likely. I can't promise everything's gonna get added, by the way. I can promise that I will want to add these things. As long as that's like satisfying enough of an answer. That's what I can promise. What else do I like in real life? Cat, dog. What else? What else? Also, by the way, if it's a big animal, we'll probably just make it small. We'll call it a baby version of it. Honestly, why not chickens? I'm letting everyone think. Y'all have time to think as long as you need. Piglets? Oh, dude, piglets would be great. Oh gosh, that would be great. That'd be great. That'd be great. Okay, so we got piglets. Random meme stuff. Screaming Harry armadillo. We'll do armadillo maybe. Okay, okay. This list is coming up pretty good. What else do we want to add though? Do you connect to this? What do you mean connect? I don't know what you mean. Toto? A dodo or Toto? Toto animal. Fictional dog in Oz series? No, that's not what we're talking about. Oh, dude, wait, hold on. Wild animals. Cute wild animals. Okay, I do definitely want a fox. Maybe we can add birds also. Oh, penguins would be a great idea. Penguin. A meek rat? What does a meek rat look like? Meek rat. Oh, meek rats would be great. You're right, you're right, you're right. Meek rat. Parrots? Sure, why not? We're not doing roaches. This is like the worst answer ever. Okay. Add a parrot. All right, Jangling, what's up? What's your idea? We got a good list right now, honestly. Does the animal have rarities? Animals will have rarities, yes. And also spawn locations in different areas that they can spawn and stuff like that. Kind of like Pokemon. But for animals. Question mark? Oh, bunny. What am I not thinking about buddies for? Hello? Bunnies. Baby cubs. Alright, let's do, let's bring out the wild animal list, right? The cubs. Add a fish. Maybe in the future. We're gonna work on an ocean area, maybe? But that's gonna take a while. I don't know how realistic that is to work on right now. A sterling owl? We could do owls. Sterling owl. You're gonna cook rice? Alright, sounds good. Oh my gosh, the red panda. Of course we have to do that. Red panda. Who's your first sub? I have no idea. And a baby panda. We could do, well, red panda's basically a panda. I mean, I guess we could just do rarities. Panda. It'd just be a reskin, it doesn't really matter. Hummingbird, sure. So who's gonna make all these animals? We'll figure that out later. Someone that gets part of the money that comes from this game. Hopefully my girlfriend does actually work on it. But we'll have to see. Dude, what about otters? Dude, otters? We could have like shallow water areas. That's not a big deal. Have you checked out your avatar yet? No, I haven't. Scap. I can look at it next time we get on Roblox, but it'll probably be like next time. Not right now. Wombat looks cute, but I don't know. Dude, the piglet would be crazy. Oh my frick, dude. Oh, that's so cute. We gotta get this one. What is this called? I forgot. That's not it. Hello? Hedgehog? Hedgehog. Pig me marmoset. I do want to add a monkey, and that'd be a good monkey to add. Wait, symphony? Allow people to buy a dragon? Pokapine? What is a pokapine? Pokapine. Porcupine. And giraffe? Giraffes are too big. We can't do giraffe. Porcupine maybe, but I like the hedgehog one. It's basically the same thing, honestly. It doesn't look the same. I hate Brave. Brave sucks for pictures, actually. I've said this like a billion times. Wild animals. Oh, let's do cute. Okay, okay. Red frog. We could think about a frog. We'll think about it. Think about it. What else? What else? Oh, do we gotta do a raccoon? What else? What else? A seal would be great. And monkey? We could do, what's the different monkeys? I'll add monkey there. What else? The only issue with the birds is that I don't know how I'm gonna go make them catchable. And What else? I mean, I don't really see anything else that we could add. Guinea pig. Oh, we gotta do that one, right? Guinea pig. I don't remember if that's how you spell it, but it was good enough, honestly. We could do sheep. Sheep would be good. Think, think. All right, this is honestly a really big list. We're gonna stop here. This is a lot. I'm gonna send this to my girlfriend, and then we'll figure it out from there if all of these happen. We're not adding diabetes. All right. Oh hey, forgot that was on there. Not that it really matters. These are the animals we want to add. All right. Make a hunger bar. Animals will have hunger, but it's gonna be very minimal. It's not even that important. See everything. Weird. Okay. Oh no, she's in the basement. I mean. All right. So, I'm sorry for those who want the stream to be longer. My grandpa's trying to sleep, and I'm kind of tired, not gonna lie. So these night streams might only be 2 hours long. On Hunter's Road, just Yaddle's dying. We're also gonna have different variants for most of the animals, by the way. So like every animal we have is gonna be like 3 or 4 different variants that spawn. So you gotta think about that too. You gotta think about that twos. All right, I think this game's gonna be really cool. Actually, now that I think about it. All right, guys, thank you for joining. Thank you for stopping by. I'm glad you came by and said hi. Oh, this is Krita, by the way. I don't know if it's too late now. Thanks everybody. I will see you guys next time. Yeah, I'm gonna go. It's my grandpa's trying to sleep. I don't want to be too loud. It's already 11:30, as you can see down here. Oh, you can't see down there. I changed the times. Right here on the stream chat. Sorry, Scab. Maybe next time. Next Saturday. At some point, by the way, I'll have my room to myself again. It's just my grandpa moved back in, so it's kind of rough. But when I get my room back to myself, we can do longer streams and have more fun on the streams, and be like, if I want to be more energetic, I could be more energetic and whatever. So stuff like that. It'll be fun. It'll be fun. Bye everybody. Have a good night. So just this.